So this Euro Yen analysis for Thursday, the 8th of March. Now let's look what happened price, where price may likely go. So we came down in towards this previously identified level of 89.45, brief pullback to 29.95. Move back upwards. Not sure where this level came into focus, but we turned around, headed back down towards a key support in around 30.60. In around the 30.60, as you can see, we've held that as support, from which we did see strong buy side momentum take us up towards the 400 period moving average. Moved beyond there and tested the 32.02 to almost the pip. 32.02 to the pip. And we've tested 32.02 to the pip, had a pullback, brief move upwards, found resistance at the 400 period average, had sell side momentum take us down to the next level previously identified in around the 30.94, where we did have the added confluence of the 200 period moving average. We've had this move upwards again to retest this 31.70. From where we did find resistance a couple of the 400 period moving average, and again we found resistance, descending resistance here with the 400 period moving average sloping downwards, as well as this horizontal level marked out here in red, signifying its importance. It's a very important level, 31.70. And again we found some resistance. So if we do see the further downside continuation here, breakdown, we're looking for price head down towards that 13.94. We do also still have the confluence of the 200 period moving average as well as the horizontal level, a break from which we're looking for price head down towards the very next key level of 30.60, and a break from there we're looking for price head down towards that 129.95. If, however, we do go on to retest this 31.70, we would have had a fourth test of that level, possibly looking for a break here. We were possibly looking for a break if we do go on to test that level again. Even though we have got a price contraction squeeze, we would be looking for, if we were to test that level again, we're possibly looking for a break. Due to the price contraction squeeze we're seeing here, we're going to likely see a lot of volatility. So if we do see the break to the upside, I would anticipate 32.02, possibly holding any significance. I think we'd pretty much trade through that, as it is pretty close by. Ultimately, we're looking for prices to head towards, depending on volatility, 32.83, 33.45, or possibly, even if there is quite a bit of market volatility, head up towards that 134 level. Now, if we were to say, if we were to break down from where we are, from this price construction squeeze, we'll be looking for prices to head down towards 30.60 and possibly 29.45. And if we do have sufficient market volatility, 29.95. And if we were to have sufficient market volatility, 29.45, the very next key level marked out here in red, could come into focus. So overall, the most recent trend does to be upside. We have the price contraction squeeze. We had frequency of tests of the 31.70, possibly looking for a break to the upside. We depend on market volatility. Due to the price contraction squeeze, we're looking for price head towards 32.83, possibly even up to the far end of the range, possibly being at 134. If however, on another test of the 31.70, we aren't able to break and hold above the level, we will be looking for price head down towards that 30.60 or down towards that 29.45 to the far end of the range. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the Euro Yen analysis. Thanks for watching.